Kei te aha koe I tēnei raumati e hoa. E
The
hoa?
second weight in Europe is major. It's the huge weight.
2.5 million square miles of ice has melted away, uncovering thousands of islands surrounded by open ocean.
Worldwide coronavirus cases have climbed to an all-time high.
E hoa, te raumati. Ka haere tōna wai ki te kanikani.
Eat it up, my selector. Ta, 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 ta.
It's unprecedented.